Morning. Oh crap, the lighting. Morning guys. Right now it is almost 7 a.m. and today is Mother's Day. So yeah. So I am gonna make a orange cranberry bread, Yorkshire pudding, Yorkshire, I'm probably mispronouncing it, my bad. And then these potatoes. So yeah, these are not my recipe. Just saying, I will leave the recipes in the description below. But I just wanted to show, I don't know, just what I make for Mother's Day. And a lot of people always ask me, like, why do you bake? And, like, why do you make all these things? Part of the reason is because it helps me de-stress. Baking, I think I realized that when I was in college, so first you put in the baking powder into the bag. Mix, 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 mix. Too lazy to use a bowl, I'm mixing it in the bag. So I'm not gonna sing here, I'm gonna play some music. Bye! Who am I kidding? This is gonna be very dreamy. Dreamy. Couldn't believe that I had to add sour cream to this when I made this for the first time. I was like, what? Shout out to Amy for introducing me to this awesome orange cranberry bread. There's actually a frosting that goes with this, and that frosting is made out of a very, very strong liquor. So I don't have that liquor, and I didn't want that, so no frosting. Well, the batter, as you see when it goes into the oil, is supposed to splatter like tons, but it didn't go crazy. So that's not a good sign. Make sure your oil is very hot when you make this. Change of music, guys. Change. Don't you start thinking about stuff? So I didn't know that the spoon fell until I was editing this video. Look. Don't worry guys, I picked up the spoon later. The spoon was not ignored. It was not all alone on the ground. Anyways, happy Mother's Day guys. Happy Mother's Day. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you guys all had an awesome Mother's Day. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos, and please let me know. Anyways, see you guys later. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure.